Okay, we're going to go and do something a bit different today. Going to go to a show, and it's not a bike show. So yeah, I'll keep you in suspense until I get down there. Alright, hope you enjoy this episode, and yeah, let's get geared up and let's get going, eh? Oh well, we're at the place, and it's the 2024 truck, Mack Muster. Yeah, so nice little ride I should say, and yeah, a bit ordinary coming in because it's all dirt. I'll get a bit of footage on the way out. It was stop start, but what a turnout. It's awesome. There's bloody vehicles everywhere. Just look. So anyway, let's go inside and let's see what we can see, and I'll take some pretty pics and put them up. Now I've got to try and work out how to get across this. Ah, look, I found a bridge. I'm right. Okay. Okay. What year is this lovely old truck?
We've got it 26, it could be 27 or 26.
Righto.
Yeah.
And where did you find it?
No, the old bloke Ray Gilbrook found it, I think about 40 years ago. He went and picked it up. It was driven onto an old house on the veranda. Yep. When they picked it up, it's been on the veranda for that long. The tree at the back grew about that big, so they dragged it off. Yeah. He had it for about 20 years, and he gave it to my brother because he bought something else from him, and my brother brought it down to Westford. And we've got it going now for about 40 years. We take her on parades and everything. So we goes good.
Beautiful. Well, that's the story on the old hill.
That's the old hill.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know where it's been.
Nice meeting you anyway. Your name is?
Colin Banks.
Pleased to meet you, Colin.
No worries.
Okay, thank you.
Good on you.
We'll get this on camera. So, what are we doing here?
The carburetor just flooded when I put new fuel in it, and that's it meets the float level thing's not working properly. So you give it a whack on the side, and it stops it, and it works properly.
So that's called a noctrometer?
A noctrometer, yes,
That's
right. Yeah. Or a thingamabob.
think I've still got my zoom on. Okay, yeah, what a turnout here. I didn't think it was going to be this big, but it's awesome. Atmosphere's great. The trucks, yeah, take my hat off to all the operators, and yeah, I'll see if I can get some more photos. I just got to go and get a drink, water, maybe a hot dog, I don't know, let's see what happens. Alright. Video. Alright, that's the Truck Muster. As I said, you have to be careful going out of here. Old mate there. Just hope I don't go arse up. But steady, we'll get out of here, I reckon. But what a great place. What a great show. If you're next year, yeah, you like your trucks, come on down and check them all out. Alright, this is Jimbo. Holds on electric ride, signing off. Cheers, guys. And I'm about half a kilometre away. I'm glad I got out of there.